This video will talk through creating a store-to-store transfer. Go to the menu. Under Purchasing and Transfers, click on Transfers. This takes you to the Transfers page. Click New. Within this section, it will already highlight the store-to-store transfer option. Select the store that you are sending items from, then select the store that you are sending items to. Click to add items manually. You may restrict the items you are sending by choosing one of these options. Provide a transfer title. Insert a name. Click Create Transfer. Click here to view your blank transfer. Click Add Items to Transfer and find stock that you want to transfer to the other store. Use filters to find the items you want. Tick the items that you want to add to the transfer. Click Mark as Placed to place your transfer.